That wallet might still be in someone else's hands, but not for long. I'm walking you through the exact same strategy the pros use for what's known as a ninja withdrawal, in and out before the market blinks. The cash you'll make from this is straight up ridiculous. We're jumping into the full tutorial now, but let me say this once. If you're still using Pump Fun, you're basically throwing darts blindfolded. This is your chance to learn the real method and start seeing numbers in your wallet that don't even seem possible. Here's an eye-opener. Pull up Photon and check the Pump Fun Dex filter. You'll witness a non-stop conveyor belt of joke coins, AO, Housecoin, and dozens more created every minute. This is what happens when a platform makes it ridiculously easy for anyone to launch a token. You end up with an ocean of worthless projects where 99% disappear within hours of launching. Now here's the proof. Filtered for Radium, we're looking at a mere 5 new coins in 5 minutes. But the key stat? Those market cap figures that absolutely dwarf pump funds. That's what happens when a platform requires actual skills to launch. You get quality instead of quantity. This isn't amateur hour anymore. Let's dive into the right way to do this. Need you to understand how big this is. LaunchTool is the holy grail we've all been waiting for. It makes launching on Radium so easy, it's almost laughable. No programming skills required, just follow the simple steps and you're golden. For the past month straight, this tool has been my personal profit machine, working its magic day after day without fail. The fact that something this powerful exists is mind-blowing. Found this perfect logo on Google. As you know, I usually pick animals, mostly dogs, for my meme coins. But this time, I'm going with something different. The trending Tim Cheese, which is a hilarious mouse popping up on TikTok lately. Fire up Canva and adjust the size to exactly 128 by 128 pixels. You can just drag it like I did, and it will automatically fit perfectly into the white background. Or you can adjust it however you like, and then save that beauty. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Time to make it official. Head over to LaunchTool and start entering your coin information. My setup is simple. Cheese Call as the official name and Tim as the trading symbol. Get creative and make the very funny description for your own coin, but this time I'll skip it. With your logo selected and uploaded, proceed to the next stage where we'll handle the token supply and distribution details. Here's the good news. These economics are perfect as is. That 1 billion supply is specifically what we'll need coming up, so no changes necessary. Click Next. Now about this creator profile, they're asking 0.1 SOL for what? No way that's worth it. Skip. Social media integration, completely pointless in my experience. Skip again, and let's proceed to the good stuff. Pay very close attention now. These settings determine whether investors will trust your project. Revoke Freeze ensures you can't suddenly stop all trading, while Revoke Update locks the token's core properties. Turn off either one, and you're sending a clear signal to the market that you can't be trusted. And in crypto, trust equals money. No trust means your chart will be deader than a doornail. Don't adjust anything. Just press Launch My Token and watch your wallet appear. Approve the transaction as usual. Seriously, that's all there is to this part. You can view all the token specifics now. Checking SolScan as we speak. Perfect, it's live. But listen, we still need to handle one more critical task before this becomes tradable. Moving forward, return to LaunchTool and select Create Liquidity Pool, which will immediately transition you to Radium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to LaunchTool to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Radium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting Tim as the symbol and Cheese Call as the project name. Press Add User Token to confirm, then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.2 SOL fee from your total amount cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 2%. After triple checking all your inputs, select Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational, and the coin is tradable. A quick glance at Photon shows our listing is live. With that handled, let's dive into the chart data. Let's pull up our stats. Go to deckscreener.com and pick any random coin. Wait for the interface to fully initialize. Now, access Launch Tool and copy your token's specific address. Return to DeckScreener, overwrite the existing address with yours, and execute the search. There it is, our live trading chart. Those minuscule trades showing? Just bot noise. Focus on the order book instead. I've been waiting for a couple of minutes only, and look what I've came across. We got our first order from a buyer, and it's about $60. So far, we are doing incredibly well, but more will come. Trust me on that. After waiting for only 3 minutes, success. Our second real order has already arrived, $73, which is nearly zero point 0.5 sol. The liquidity right now is at $520, and the market cap is almost at 500 USD, but they'll keep rising. As you can see, the coin has grown by only 10% in just the last 5 minutes. But since it was first paired, it's up by 182% overall. And I know those numbers you see are very low right now, but let's wait a tiny bit more. Incredible. We've got another 0.75 sol buy that just occurred under 20 seconds. No marketing? No problem. And do you know why? Well, cheer up, guys, because this method is infinitely repeatable. I said this was crazy profitable. Oh, something crossed my mind. Let's check out the chart. Adorable. Almost 700% growth. Also check this. The coin was paired 24 minutes ago so far. After another order, I'll rug this coin for sure. Unbelievable. Order number 4 is in. The speed is surpassing expectations. Unreal. We're now hitting the $90 threshold, coming in at 0.59 Solana worth of gains. These results are stupid good. Just for the final showcase, the liquidity is at $830 and the market cap is at $1.1K. The coin was paired only 29 minutes ago, and it's already grown by 580% in total. I had to point that out one more time to show how overpowered this method is, because you get all that lovely profit so easily and in such a short time. I'll stop bothering you guys now. I'm officially taking profits at these levels. Let's rug this thing. To exit your position, head over to Radium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area. And there is your current position. Profit time. First click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. Ignore everything except the sol value. Choose Remove Liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. Nothing beats this high. Check Phantom Wallet. Turn $200 into $420, literally effortlessly. Now here's the key takeaway. Transparency check. No ties to any mentioned platforms. This is strictly a how-to demonstration. While this play is working ridiculously well right now, these situations don't last. Want a piece? The moment to strike is immediately, not after you've thought about it for days.